friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritika. Today I am going to teach you chapter 7 pronouns of class 3rd. So here, what does pronoun actually means? We use pronouns to avoid repetitions of noun. Some pronouns words are she, he, they, them, you, I and etc. So what does pronoun actually means? Without just understanding the meaning of that word, how can you just read the chapter? So pronoun means, we can say pronoun is used to avoid the repetition of the noun. Here, example is Riya is a good girl. You can't say again, Riya is a school topper also. So we are going to replace it. She, here the she word is replacing the word Riya. So she is a school topper also. So here she is used to avoid the noun to repeat. So now we have understood what noun means. We will revise again. Noun means, we can say that noun is used to avoid the repetition of noun. It means pronoun is used to stop repetition of the noun. So noun, you know what nouns are, and nouns are name of person, place, thing and animal. So here the noun is Riya. Riya is a noun because he is a person. This is the name of a person. This is a proper noun. There are types of pronoun also. We are going to understand the types of pronoun with a small chart. So the types of noun, if you check the types of pronoun, there are 9 types. But right now I'm teaching 3rd standard type. So there are 4 types. But I have written only 3 because in your book, the grammar hubs, there is only 1 type given, personal pronoun. So we are going to understand what personal pronoun means, possessive pronoun and interrogative pronouns with examples. First, let's understand what they mean. First, personal pronoun. I, you, she, he, him, her, them, etc. are personal pronouns. So we can just say personal pronoun are I, you, she, he, him, them, etc. Possessive pronoun are mine, your, his, her, ours, their. So basically they means that thing, whatever you're talking about, belongs to him, her, them, ours. Mine, your, his, her, ours, them are possessive pronoun. Interrogative pronoun, which is very easy because interrogative actually means question mark. So who, which, what, whose are interrogative pronouns. There is another type called reflex pronoun, but we are only going to learn 3 this right now. Then we will continue onwards. So here are the types of pronouns. So we know there are 9 types, but we are only learning personal pronoun in this lecture. So I will give you example. For extra knowledge, I will give you these 2 also, and we will also understand examples, and at the end of the video you will get test. So now here are the pronouns, 3 types of pronouns and examples also with the meanings of it. So first is personal pronoun. That stands for person. So we can say personal pronoun is used for standing, means it stands for person only. If you are referring to any person or anything, so you can use personal pronoun. This is an okay, don't get confused. So example is I am a girl. So I is referring to a person. It's a girl. It's referring to a girl. So I. Possessive pronoun used to refer to position. You know what position means? We can say that if you have a car, imagine you have a toy car, or if you have that good. So now, would you let your siblings play with it? No, right? You would. That would be good. But if it's brand new and your favorite model, then I don't think you are going to be willing to give it, because if she breaks it, then you are going to be very, very upset. So you won't allow it. You are possessing it. Means it's mine only. You can't touch it. You can't play with it. You can't have it. You can't even look at it. So example is Anjali is a friend of mine. Friend of mine. Only a friend of mine. She can be friends of others. But I am considering her as a friend only and only of mine. So here mine and I. Personal pronoun and possessive pronoun 9. Last, interrogative pronoun. Used to ask questions. Which is used to ask questions. So who is making noise? Right now, who is making that noise? Maybe you can say anyone's name, anything's name, making that noise. So this was the question, who is making noise? So now I hope you understood. If not, then I will give you a small test. So you can pause the video. Actually, I am going to give 1 minute, 5 seconds for one question. You have to find which type of pronoun it is and you have to underline the word which is. Like here, who is the pronoun? This is not a full pronoun. Is no is a pronoun? Can be. Making no. So who we are talking about? So one pronoun there is in the sentence here. Who, my, I. So there are pronouns, types of pronouns. We are only going to use 3 examples of 3. Personal, possessive and interrogative. Interrogative will be easy. I think all of them are easy for you. And we'll also try to discuss the answer in the class. So now here are the tests. First one, I am your friend. Second, this book is mine. Third, who is your teacher? Fourth, that pen is yours. Fifth, she is my sister. Sixth, who said which answer? So I'll give you 5 seconds for one question. You have to answer it. So time starts now. I hope you found the first one. So it is I is the pronoun here. And which type? Personal pronoun. You're all right. I know. I knew you would know. Second, this book is mine. 5 seconds again. Alright, hands up. So mine. And this is the possessive pronoun. Third, who is your teacher? Who is your teacher? It is who. Who is the interrogative? So this is the interrogative. So personal, possessive, interrogative. Fourth, that pen is yours. 5 seconds again. Time's up. What's your answer? Wait. Yours, I mean. Sorry. Yours. So it's again, what is it? Possessive pronoun. Fifth, she is my sister. Again 5 seconds. It is mine. And which type is it? It is possessive. Sixth one, who said which answer? Now here there are 2 pronouns. Okay. So it is who and which. Who said which answer? So who said which answer among this all? Here if you check the fourth one, there are 2 types of pronoun. That and yours. That and your are also pronouns. That is which type of pronoun? It is a personal pronoun. So here, for you to understand better, you can write here PE for personal, or you can write P only, and for possessive, PO for possessive, and here who, interrogative. You can just write I because you can understand I, or if you want to write it in 2 digits, you can write I am. Now that and your. So here there are 2. So first of all you will write that. That is which type? It's personal. So PE and yours. Your is which type? It's possessive. It is possessive. And last, who and which? Is it both are interrogative? So this was the end of the session. So if you like my video, please like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching.